Hi everyone. So this morning when I called in for a takeaway breakfast, I realised that our minces, the new ones that we're producing, cost less than a takeaway breakfast. You get 500 grams of incredible meat in each packet for less than the cost of a takeaway breakfast. And that's amazing. I'm going to talk you through these minces that we've got now. The first one I've got here is Over the Fields and Hills. You can see it's quite a dark meat. That's because it is lamb, beef, chicken with bone and chicken liver, and also the chicken livers, which are free range. So again, that's really been very popular. Oh, and it's got berries in it as well. So that's been incredibly popular too. We've also got Wild and Free. Wild and Free has got venison, whole rabbit pieces including fur, venison offal and pheasant. And then it's also got mixed berries in there, just to add a bit of flavour and a bit of interest. And that's been really popular. And then we've got All at Sea, which is a mix of whole sprats, haddock, cod and pollock in chunks. So it's a good blend of bone to meat ratio. So I thought I'd just share that with you today, because each one of these costs less than my breakfast. Please subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to keep up to date with everything about Nurturing by Nature, we have got a Facebook page, we've got an Instagram page, and we'd really like you to subscribe if you can. That would be brilliant. And comment on our posts.